welcome to our step-by-step guide on how you can create your stunning virtual assistant resume using Canva. Whether you're just new to Canva or you're just looking to refresh your resume, we've got you covered. Okay, let's get started.
First things first, head over to canva.com. So gagawa tayo ng account sa Canva. So open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. Okay, on the home page, look for the sign up button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the page. And once you're there, you can sign up using your Gmail account. Just click continue, and after that, you'll be asked here kung saan nyo gagamitin yung Canva. Just click personal. Okay, we're almost done. Just click start my trials and click maybe later and not now para free lang yung account nyo at walang babayaran. And there you have it. You already have your free Canva account. Now we can start crafting your winning resume. So once you're logged in, let's get started. So click on the search bar at the top page and type resume. Alright, you just have to type resume, and when you hit enter, you'll see a variety of templates designed for different styles and profession. And there you have it. Makikita nyo na yung different templates na pwede nyong i-customize based on your preferences, based on your colors, based on your vibe. Right? Now, start na tayo maghanap ng template na pwede natin gamitin for our resume. Alright? So, hanap lang tayo ng feeling natin maganda. There you have it. Okay, just take note, once may nakita kayo mga yellow crown, it means pro template sila. Ma-edit lang ninyo siya kapag naka-pro Canva account kayo. Since this is a free account, Canva account, may edit nyo lang yung mga free template na nandito. Madami namang mga free template na available si Canva that you can customize. So, maganda din naman siya kahit na free account lang siya. Just make sure that you have to choose a template that resonate with your personality. And of course, dapat meron kayong available na professional image that you want to project. Now, and how to change that, all you have to do is just to click that box and delete image, and then you can upload your picture na gusto nyong ilagay sa resume nyo. Then after that, once na download na siya, just have to drag that image to the frame. And there you have it. Meron na kayong picture sa inyong resume. And now let's dive into customizing your resume. So you can just click on the text box para ma-edit yung mga information. So palitan nyo siya ng mga information nyo, of course. So you'll want to include the following key section about your contact information, of course, yung summary, and also you can include your work experience that you have, and also about your education. Now let's start with your contact information. In this section, you should include your full name. Okay, so edit lang natin yung name. So let's put your first name and syempre yung last name. And also you have to put the position that you want to apply. So let's put virtual assistant here. And also you have to include information like phone number, also email address, Skype number or LinkedIn profile if applicable, and also your location. Make sure that this information are accurate and easy to find. So for professional touch, use a business-like email address, Please avoid personal or casual emails. Okay, next, you have to write a compelling summary. This is a brief introduction where you can showcase your key strength and what you can bring to the table as a virtual assistant. So you can aim at least 2 to 3 sentences that highlight your most relevant skills and experience. Remember lang that you have to tailor your resume or your summary to each job application, focusing on the skills and experience that match the job description that you want to apply. Now let's move on to skills. Okay? We can edit lang natin to, palitan natin to skills. Okay. Remember, as a virtual assistant, you might list skills such as time management, customer service, kung meron man, proficiency with scheduling tools, and communication. Very important yung mga skills na yan. Be specific and use keywords that match the job that you're applying for. And also, use bullet points for clarity. Alright? And focus on the skills that are directly relevant to virtual assistants. In the experience section, you can include your past roles related to virtual assistant, related man yun or hindi, na mga dati nyong work. So you can put it there. So for each position, list your job title, and also under each role, you have to provide a brief description of your key responsibilities and achievements. So you can also put the company name and the dates that you work there. Okay, so another tip, you can quantify your achievement when possible. For example, manage a calendar for a team of 10, improving scheduling efficiency by 30%. Lastly, fill out your education section. You have to list your degrees, certification, and any relevant courses. Include nyo din yung name ng institution or ng university name na pinasukan nyo, and of course, graduation date. And also, if you have any completed relevant certification or courses, such as course in administrative support or project management, be sure to highlight this information kasi value added siya sa resume mo. Now, here are a few more tips to make your resume stand out. First one is it should have consistent formatting. Ensure that all headings, fonts, and colors are consistent throughout the resume. Dapat same yung font size, okay, yung headings, and also yung font style. And also, next is proofread. You have to double check for any spelling or grammatical error. Remember that a polished resume reflects attention to detail. And lastly is professional design. You have to utilize Canva design tools para ma-adjust yung mga layout and also colors based doon sa gusto nyo. And make sure that your resume looks clean and professional. Alright? And now, once you're happy with the look of your resume, since okay ka na, you can click the download button at the top right or left corner of the screen. You just have to choose PDF for high quality document that's ready to share or print. And antayin nyo lang siya mag-download. Once na-download na siya, yan, makikita nyo na yung final result ng resume nyo na ready to share sa mga potential client or potential job position na gusto nyong applyan.
And that's it, guys. Your virtual assistant resume is now ready to make a great impression. O, diba? Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, syempre subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo pag may bago Good luck with your job search and see you on my next video.